Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a custom license plate in Georgia. So, first, you may want to head over to dor.georgia.gov. Then, next, in the search bar, just click on the search button. Just search for special license. Then, just press enter. So, from the search results, click on specialty and prestige license plates. So from here, we're just going to look for search license plate designs. So you can start searching for your desired designs for your license plate. Just click on begin here. Then next is just click on order specialty plates. So as you can see here, for you to be able to order prestige and specialty license plates, you're going to need to visit your local county tag office. And before going there, it is important to know more information on required forms and fees that you're going to need to bring with you. Now, if you're ordering prestige or vanity license plates, clicking on it, you can see here the requirements. Starting with, you have to complete Form MV9B Special Personal Prestige License Plate Application. There's also $35 manufacturing fee, $35 annual special tag fee, and $20 tag fee. Now, if you're looking to order specialty plates may have additional fees and requirements that vary from plate to plate. Also, read the details when viewing the individual plate designs for specific information. So, just click on the link to know more information. And for military license plates, here are the requirements. And if you think you have all the requirements ready, you can just head over to your county tag office to order your custom license plate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!